Our topic is protozoan disease, in common disease in human beings, in human health and disease. Protozoan disease. There are about 15 genera of protozoans which live as pathogen in human body and causes the disease like the viruses and the bacteria. The protozoan also causes disease in human beings. The first one is amoebiasis. The amoebiasis is nothing but amoeboic dysentery or amoeboic colitis. This disease, that is this amoebiasis, was caused by Entamoeba histolytica, and this Entamoeba histolytica lives in the human large intestine, and it takes food or it feeds on mucus and the bacteria. The infective stage of Entamoeba is tropozooid. This they can ask in your 1 mark. Okay, tropozooid. This penetrates the walls of the intestine and secrete the histolytic enzyme. So due to the histolytic enzyme, the wall that is it causes this tropozooid is infecting the walls of the intestine with the help of histolytic enzymes. It creates or it causes ulceration and bleeding, abdominal pain and stools with excess of mucus. So this is the infective stage. If the entamoeba was infected to our body, you can see this type of symptom things will happen in the intestine. Symptoms from diarrhea to dysentery, and in the dysentery the blood and mucus in the stools will appear. Houseflies. How it can be transmitted? It transmitted through housefly. Musca domestica, that is the zoological name of housefly. Through this, the parasite was carrying, that is the housefly carries this parasite, that is Entamoeba histolytica, and from where to where? From the contaminated fecus and the water, the parasite was transmitted through houseflies to the food, to the human being healthy body. And the next one, this is the Entamoeba histolytica structure. You can see the endoplasm. This is the endoplasm portion, and the outer structure is ectoplasm, and you can see the plasma lemma, and here it is the that is food vacuole and endosome. So this is the structure of Entamoeba histolytica. And next we move on to African sleeping sickness, and this disease was caused by Trypanosoma species. So Trypanosoma, it is transmitted by blood sucking testes fly. Okay, 3 species of Trypanosoma which causes sleeping sickness in man. So sleeping is a sickness in man that was caused by the Trypanosoma. That is 3 species. Trypanosoma gambians, that is transmitted by Glossina palpalis, that is testy fly, and it causes Gambian or Central African sleeping sickness disease. Tryphaena rhodesiensis. It is transmitted by Glossina morcelitis, causing rhodesinia or East African sleeping sickness. And Tryphaena cruzi, that is Trypanosoma cruzi. Okay, it is transmitted by the bug called Triatama magista. Triatama magista, and it causes Chagas disease or American trypanosomiasis. So these are the 3 species which causes different types of sleeping sickness. One, it is Central African sleeping sickness, another one is East African sleeping sickness, and the last one is Chagas disease or American trypanosomiasis. So from this you can ask, they will ask 1 mark in your board exam and in your NEET exam also. So this is the Trypanosomia gambians, that is gambians, the protozoan you can see here. And Kala-Azar. So visceral leishmaniasis. So it is also known as the Kala-Azar is also known as visceral leishmaniasis, It is caused by Leishmania donovani and it is transmitted through the vector Phlebotomus, that is sandfly. Through the sandfly it got transmitted this disease. The infection, it is infected where the infected it had infected in the endothelial cells, bone marrow, liver, lymph glands and blood vessels of the spleen. There it got infected and the symptoms is if the Kala-Azar was infected, that is the disease was caused, the symptoms is weight loss, anemia, fever, enlargement of spleen and liver. These are the symptoms of Kala-Azar. This they can ask in your 3 mark as well as that is the causative agent name they can ask in your 1 mark. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.